Climate change, the defining challenge of our time. Introduction. What if our planet is closer to irreversible change than we think? Could rising seas, melting ice, and deadly heat waves be just the beginning of something far more dramatic? Imagine a planet where summer heat silently ages your body, where wildfires burn with a fury no human can stop, and where ancient glaciers collapse, reshaping the oceans of tomorrow. This is not the story of the distant future. This is the story of today. Come, we explore the science behind climate change and uncover the hidden truths shaping our future. And before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Space Earth Symphony for more deep explorations of our world and beyond. Part 1. Climate Tipping Points. Scientists have identified critical thresholds known as climate system tipping points, beyond which environmental changes become self-sustaining and potentially irreversible. For example, the collapse of the West Antarctic ice sheet could result in a sea level rise of several meters. Thawing permafrost may release substantial quantities of methane, a greenhouse gas significantly more potent than carbon dioxide. The Amazon rainforest, which plays a vital role in global carbon cycling, faces the risk of conversion to a dry savanna if warming persists. These scenarios are not remote. With current global warming at 1.1 degrees Celsius, some tipping points may already be imminent. Once these thresholds are crossed, the resulting changes may be rapid and difficult to reverse. Part 2. The Arctic is heating 4 times faster. The Arctic is experiencing warming at nearly 4 times the global average, a phenomenon termed Arctic amplification. This accelerated warming is altering the global climate system. The reduction in sea ice decreases Earth's albedo, leading to increased heat absorption. The thawing of snow and ice disrupts atmospheric circulation patterns, contributing to extreme weather events such as floods, droughts, and wildfires in Europe, Asia, and North America. These impacts extend beyond local ecosystems, affecting billions of people through increased weather variability, food insecurity, and rising sea levels. Part 3. Health Impacts. Climate Change and Human Survival. Climate change has direct and indirect consequences for human health. Rising temperatures facilitate the spread of vector-borne diseases such as malaria and dengue fever. Extreme heat waves are causing thousands of deaths annually, particularly in urban areas lacking adequate adaptation measures. Air pollution associated with fossil fuel combustion contributes to millions of premature deaths each year. Healthcare systems and vulnerable populations are increasingly strained. Consequently, climate change represents one of the most significant health threats of the 21st century. Part 4. Biodiversity, Wildlife, and the Risk of New Pandemics. Climate change is disrupting interactions between animal and human populations. As species migrate in response to shifting temperatures, novel interspecies contacts increase the likelihood of viral transmission among animals and from animals to humans. Bats, in particular, are projected to play a significant role in the spread of viruses as their habitats change. By 2070, scientists estimate that more than 15,000 new viral sharing events could occur among mammalian species. Consequently, the frequency of pandemics similar to COVID-19 may rise in a warming world. Preserving biodiversity is therefore critical for both ecosystem stability and human health. Part 5. Societal Risks and Future Pathways. Climate change presents substantial risks to the stability of modern societies. Agricultural systems are challenged by unpredictable precipitation patterns and soil degradation. Coastal megacities are implementing adaptation strategies to address sea level rise, which could displace millions of residents. Economic systems face potential losses amounting to trillions of dollars due to storms, wildfires, and damage to infrastructure. However, mitigation strategies such as the adoption of renewable energy, improved urban planning, reforestation, and enhanced international cooperation remain viable. Limiting additional warming, even by small increments, is crucial. Scientific consensus indicates that future outcomes depend on immediate and sustained action. The central question remains whether timely and effective action will be taken to address the defining challenge of climate change. The collective response of humanity will shape the planet's future trajectory. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay connected with Space Earth Symphony, where the wonders of Earth, time, and the cosmos come alive.